What's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. How y'all doing today, guys? Today's been one hell of a great day, guys. It's been a good day. It's been a hot as balls kind of day. You know, it's about 100 degrees outside. Isn't summer over? When does summer end? God damn, it's fucking hot outside, guys. Air conditioners, 100, my man. 100% on the air conditioning. It is what it is, guys. So how y'all doing? Big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream, guys. Big shout out to you. We're going to have a great show for today. We got a very important show today, guys. We're going to be looking on the markets to see where we're at. Are we going to make some money? Are we going to lose some money? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. Stick around. Let's find out together. Let's get our charts ready because we're going to go in it today. So big shout out for everybody here. Salvador Aguirre over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Salvador. What's up with you, man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, little by little, trying to make these gains, catching the upswing. Are you guys catching the upswing? Are you in a trade? Let me know, guys. Write it down on the chat box. We're gonna go in it today, guys. Let me see, what's my trade doing right now? We're gonna talk about my trade. Of course we are. Look at that, bam, 37% on my trade. Not too shabby. Look at some. I'm thinking we're gonna have a little bit of a nice little pumpy bump happening over on XHop Pay. If you guys didn't catch my bottom price at 46, I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know what you guys are doing. We cut it at 46, and we're gonna ride that sucker all the way to the upside. XRP is kind of looking like this little, like you know when you skip a rock on the lake and it just like that. That's exactly what XRP is doing to the upside. I don't know. Ride the wave, guys. Ride the momentum. The momentum is up. The momentum is up. The halving cycle is right around the corner. The bull cycle is right around the corner. This is the time. This is the now. This is the moment. This is when you should start accumulating on whatever fucking coin you want. Whatever fucking coin you want. It doesn't have to be XRP. You don't like XRP? Fine. Then you don't like XRP. Buy something else. Buy something else. But just buy something, you know. Don't miss it, guys. Don't miss the wave. Because we're gonna fucking surf this motherfucker all the way to the upside. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Big shout out to you, everybody over on the TikTok, on the Twitch, on the YouTube, on the Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. Make sure that you like and follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on yet. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Instagram, Facebook, I'm all over the place. No reason to not get my price ranges when I'm doing my trades, guys. And learning how to trade with me, the Crypto Sensei. So we're gonna go in it today, guys. I forgot my water. No, I got my water right here. So big shout out to you guys. K Series 27. Big shout out to you, K Series, over on the TikTok. What's up with you, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, going little by little, trying to catch these waves to the upside. You know, trying to make these gains. We're in an XRP trade right now, and we're enjoying some gains, some mini gains, a little bit of our portfolio, about 30% on our trade. Let me see if you guys can see it. There we go. Oh, we're up 37%. Look at that, 37. Let me see for everybody over on the YouTube. There it is, 37%, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Marquise 84 over on the TikTok saying gala price in bull run. You want to talk about some gala? Let me take out my handy dandy notebook and we can talk about some gala action. Of course we can talk about some gala action. Where's my pen? The hell did I do with my pen? I got so many fucking pens. Where the fuck is my pen? Oh, here it is. You want to talk about some gala? G-L-A-G-A-L-A-L-A. Gala. We can talk about some gala. Of course we can. Guys, if you want to talk about any coins whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do the best I can to do my TA on whatever coins you want to look at. Go ahead and write it from the back to the chat box. You got me here for an hour of power. Take advantage of it, guys. I'll do my TA on whatever platform you want to look at, whatever project you want to go ahead and look at. And hack next shua over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Over on the TikTok. Let me get ready. Let me get things ready over here. I don't want no technical issues because we're gonna go in it today. Also, guys, remember that I'm also streaming on every single platform out there. I do have a YouTube channel. All of my streams are being recorded into my YouTube channel, so you can always check my YouTube channel. Link in my bio if you're looking over on the TikTok. And then it's a way better quality type of stream also. So if you guys want to have a better experience, you can go ahead and head on over to my YouTube or my Twitch. If you prefer Twitch, I also have a Twitch channel. I stream all over the place. No reason, guys, not to get my price ranges, okay? No reason whatsoever. So we're going to set up the charts. We're going to give it, what time is it? We're going to give it 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes, and we'll start the class. Also, guys, make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP price. It's a given fact, guys. It's a given fact. Go ahead, try it out. You never know. I mean, the more that you hit the like button, the more TikTok sends out the notifications, and the more we grow, the more information we can gather, and the more information we can share with the entire world, guys. And I can't do that. I cannot grow without you guys as well. So if you can share, if you can like the stream and hit the share button to all of your social media, hey, I would highly appreciate it a bajillion times over for each and every one of you. I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. So we're not gonna let you down. We're gonna talk about these price ranges. Let me set up over here. Let me get that over there, and let me get this over here, and we are gonna get ready to go, guys. Let me get some water. You got a little bit of water. That tastes like soap. That is not good tasting water. Also, guys, like I said before, if you want to talk about any coins whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my TA. We always do our TA in all the major coins like we always do, but sometimes there's some coins that I've never even heard of, and you guys bring over those type of coins, and those could be gold mines, you know. And since I'm not looking that way, but you guys are, go ahead and write it down on the chat box, and we can do some TA, whatever coins. It doesn't even have to be crypto if you don't want to. You can do some any other. Let me set up the charts over here. Real quick, I'm going to do my 2-line theory. Let's see and find out over there. We'll talk about what the hell I'm doing right now, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let me just set up the charts. Okay, that's the square of doom right there. All right. We are set up. We're going to find out what the hell are the markets going to do. Are we going to pump or are we going to dump? This is it. This is the war zone right here, guys. That's Bitcoin, by the way. This zone right here, this is a danger zone. This can either break to the upside or the downside, like everything else in life. It can go up, it could go down. It is what it is. But those are the breakout zones. If it breaks to the upside, power to the upside. If it breaks to the downside, power to the downside. We're going to find out. We're going to find out today. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute, and we'll start the class. Smash that like button, guys. Smash it to the upside, guys. Trying to get to all-time highs on the like buttons, guys. The last live stream, we made it to about 25,000 likes. Let's see if we can get to 30,000 this time. That was the all-time high, 25,000 likes. Let's see if we can get it to 30,000 this time. I can't do it without you guys, so go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking up me at. I'm streaming every day at 5 p.m. Eastern if I can and God permits. So you got me for an hour of power. Go ahead and ask whatever the hell you guys want. I'm here for you guys. Whatever you need. Let me know. Any TA, whatever you guys got. Any questions, I'm open for you. Whatever you need. We'll give it 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. See who else gets here. It's a big shout out. Big shout out for everybody here over on the YouTube channel. You guys are awesome. And over on the Twitch channel also. Big shout out to you guys. How you all doing? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day. Like I said in the beginning, it's been hot as balls outside. Is this summer supposed to be over? When is summer supposed to fucking be over? It's like 110 degrees outside. My air conditioner cannot take it that much anymore. Come on. 110 degrees. And I think we have another fucking storm coming our way also. Let me go to the weather channel. I think we have another hurricane our way. Let me see what we got. Another goddamn storm. Look at this one. Tropical depression. God damn it. Here we go again. Here we go again. Another goddamn storm. 30 knots. Can we see where the fuck this fucker's heading? Please. I don't need another goddamn storm. See, that's the thing about Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico's amazing. Puerto Rico's a fucking paradise. Let me tell you right now, it's amazing. But man, it's like living in Tornado Alley, you know? It's Hurricane Alley. We get hurricanes all the goddamn time. And it rains every goddamn day. It's a rainforest, so it's supposed to rain every goddamn day. But man, is it a high price to pay when there's fucking hurricanes every goddamn day. We got this fucking storm brewing. Hopefully we don't get it anywhere near us. Nah, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. K-Series over on the TikTok saying, not in Jersey. What do you mean not in Jersey? It's not raining in Jersey? Come on, bro. Come on. Wasn't Lee's headed over to New Jersey, or was it in Idalia headed over to the north? I don't even know. I don't know nothing about no goddamn weather. I got too much in my plate to be looking on no goddamn weather, guys. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Stick around. Let's find out together. I like to work with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first. Okay, it's going to repeat on every other coin out there. Everything is tied to Bitcoin, and that is not going to change anytime soon. Okay, so Bitcoin is king, and it's going to keep being king for a long, long fucking time. So looking on Bitcoin first on the daily chart, which is what we're looking on the screen right now, we're going to zoom in, and let's find out what the last two candles are doing. The last two candles are green. Actually, the last three candles are green candles. So if you're going to be in on a trade, what's the momentum? The momentum on the daily chart is up. It's up. Okay? So if momentum is to the upside, what side of the army should you be in? You should be in the green army. You should be betting to the upside. Okay. So like I said in the previous live stream, what I believe Bitcoin is doing right now is called a W pattern. Okay. A W pattern looks pretty much like this. Let me see if I can get the boom like that. This is a W pattern. Okay. That's a W pattern. W patterns are hella bullish, okay? Bullish in the sense that the prices tend to go to the upside, okay? So tendency, momentum, money flow, everything points to the upside. Now, as we all know, crypto is heavily manipulated. It doesn't really follow the rules if it doesn't want to. But when it does play it out quite nicely. And since we are not sitting in the round table of no goddamn big kahuna groups, we just got to follow the rules, follow the math, follow the information that we do have, which is historical data. We use the historical data to base our decisions on our trading activities. And my trading activity right now is to the upside. So when I went in on this trade on XRP that you can see on the screen right now, I caught it at the low at 46 cents. I went in on a long, and right now it's trading at 50 cents. So I am making out of this trade 38% on this trade. Okay, 38% of about, I think I went in with like $2,000 on this trade. So 38% of that's about $600. I'm making about $600 on this trade, okay? Which is not too bad, not too shabby, okay? Not too bad, not too shabby. And the only way that I know how to do that is by just following the rules, which is what I teach you over here in this channel. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin playing out what looks to be a W formation, but W formations are what? Hella bullish. Okay, so if you're going to be trading anything to any side whatsoever, it's to the upside. Trend is your friend until the end. Doesn't mean that we're going to keep going to the upside, but what if it does? You win. And if it doesn't, you put a stop loss just in case it doesn't go your way. So if we are biased to the upside, we need to figure out what are the price ranges to the upside. Let me get rid of these lines so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. If we're trading to the upside, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a retest of that high. Okay, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And what is Bitcoin doing as of right now? Bitcoin found support within the golden ratio of the 618. It found exactly, it's in the right place. It's exactly where we wanted it to be, Okay, we got in at 25K, which is the highest demand zone. We got in at 46 cents on XRP because Bitcoin was finding support. So if Bitcoin does it, XRP probably is going to do the exact same thing. We'll look at XRP down the line, and you're going to see that it's going to play out the exact same way. It found the support within the 618 at 25K. It broke the 0.5, so more power to the upside. That's rule number one. Find support within the 618, which is the bottom yellow line that I have right here. Okay, this is the golden zone. That's why I have it in yellow. Okay, I have it in yellow because this is the golden ratio zone. This is the areas that you're gonna want to accumulate on whatever coin there is. If a coin is trading within that zone, you buy it. Whether it breaks to the downside, it doesn't matter. On the next bull cycle, we're gonna ride that sucker to the upside anyways. Okay. But the best, highest demand zones are always within the golden ratio of the Fibonacci levels, okay? So I am always biased towards the upside when it comes to the 618 on the Fibonacci levels, okay? So it found the support on the 618. That's rule number one. What's rule number two? Rule number two is, did it break the 382? This white line of neutrality that I have drawn right here is the 382. What is the 382? That is the highest resistance zone. If the 618 is support, the resistance is the 382. 382 is always strong resistance. Keep that, remember that. Put that inside of your head. The 382 is always strong resistance, just like the 618 is strong support. Okay? 618, support, the floor you walk on. Okay? 382, the resistance, the roof of your house. That's the 382. That's the 618. Okay, so you're going to want to buy on the 618 and you're going to want to sell on the 382. Okay, big shout out to Nick over on the TX shot. Thank you for that. Smash that like button, guys. Smash it to the all-time highs. So the 382 becomes resistance. Super hella strong resistance, okay? Which is what is happening right now. If you can see over here, you can kind of zoom in. You see that the candle is wicking, coming back down. Wicking, coming back down. What are those wick means? That's like a knife trying to stab at the roof of your house, you know? It's trying to drill its way through. So you got to drill, power drill, and you're drilling your roof to see if you can keep going a little bit higher, okay? But if you don't have a strong enough drill, there's no matter how much you're not going to go through the roof, okay? You need a strong drill to break through the resistance. What is that strong drill? Volume, money flow, momentum, interest, news, so many things that can drive the factor to the upside. Are there any good news out there for Bitcoin right now? I haven't heard about anything. Is there a surge of money coming in for Bitcoin? I don't know. I haven't heard anything. There's a little bit of volume popping up to the upside, but nothing major. So if you're going to take your profits and be a smart trader, a conservative smart trader, the 382 is where you're going to want to take your profits if it finds support within the 618. So you get in at the 618, you get out of the 382. Okay, which is what most traders are doing because that's how we are waking right now. Most traders follow that same rule, and you're going to see it on the screen. You're going to see it in the charts. See how it's waking through the 382, but it's not breaking through. It's not an entire candle on top of the 382 line. So be smart, be conservative on your trades, and take your profits on the 382. Right now, we're winning in a beautiful 37% over on XRP. 37% is major and huge. Where the hell are you going to get 37% in a matter of a few days? Nowhere. So be smart. Be conservative. Be smart. Be conservative. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Take your profits, okay? Now, if you don't care about your money and you don't give a fuck about what I say, which you shouldn't give a fuck anyway, do whatever the hell you want to do. I personally am going to keep holding on to that trade right here. I'm still going to hold on to this 38% beautiful trade of about $600. And I'm going to hold on to it for the next bull cycle. Unless we get like another major run up to $1 like we did on July, then I'll take my profits. Of course, absolutely. But I'm just going to ride this sucker all the way to the upside for the next bull cycle. And let's see how it goes. You know, I'm just going to, it doesn't matter to me. You know, if I win, if I lose, it doesn't matter. This is not my rent money. You know, this is not money that I don't care about this type of money. This is like casino money. I go and I lose and I just have a good time. I'm more for it for the good time than it is for the winning, you know? I just enjoy taking these price actions, you know? So as of right now, Bitcoin finding resistance within the 382, take your profits on the 382 because probably this sucker is going to come back down. So if you're going to get in on Bitcoin on this upswing, you're betting that your price is going to go to the upside. When do you want to get in on Bitcoin? 25,677. That price range right there, guys, is your 618 price ratio. Okay, that is the highest demand zone on Bitcoin. 25,677. 25,677, excuse me. Okay. Salvador Aguirre over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Salvador. Bro, have you heard of YD Next? YD Next. I've never heard about YD Next, brother. What the hell is YD Next? Where's my pen? Jesus, I keep losing my goddamn pen. I have to use this one. YD Next. You want to talk about some YD Next? We can talk about some YD Next. Never heard of that. Never heard about that coin. So we're gonna do a little bit of research on that coin. Okay. So we're gonna look at that one a little bit down the line, guys. Stick around. We're gonna look at some YD Next. Of course we are. Big shout out to you, Salvador. Thank you for bringing it over. So my price range to getting in on some Bitcoin on the price to the upside is 25,677. Okay, 25,677. Let's see if it actually plays out, and we can have a little bit of a bullish signal, which pretty much looks like it's gonna do so real soon. Big shout out to Americo Suarez over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Americo. Big shout out. Thank you for that subscribe over on the YouTube channel. So 25,677 is my price range for some Bitcoin. Okay, this is how I'm going to play out the Bitcoin. I'm going to get it at that price range. Hopefully, we're going to get a bull signal to the upside and break all-time highs, and we're going to go on a bull cycle all the way to 100K. Make it happen, guys. Let's make it fucking happen. Let's go. Moving on to a little bit of Ethereum action. Now, if Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is going to pump with it. Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. So one goes hand in hand, and they both drive the prices to the upside just out of money flow alone. So what is Ethereum doing right now? The exact same thing as Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. This is Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. This is Bitcoin. See, it's the same charts because Bitcoin is king. All coins do the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Okay, so we do the exact same analysis for Ethereum. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So that is a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So what did Ethereum do? It found the support within the 618, just like Bitcoin did. So you're going to want to get it at the 618. What's rule number 2? Did it break the 382? No, it did not break the 382. It's wicking through the 382. Why? Because the 382 is the highest resistance zone. Okay, so it's going to take a lot of money, a lot of money flow, a lot of interest, a lot of news to drive the price of Ethereum to the upside, breaking through the 382. Now, if it would break the 382, then we would be hella bullish on Ethereum. Okay, as of right now, it doesn't look bullish to me. It doesn't look bullish to me, but I could be completely wrong. And then this sucker closes above the 382 by tomorrow, and then hell yeah, let's make it happen, Captain. Strap on, strap in. Yep. So as of right now, not hella bullish on Ethereum. So you're going to want to start catching up on your Ethereum bags at around 1,777. That is the highest demand zone on the 618 over on Ethereum, 1,578. Okay. So if you're going to start accumulating on any type of on any Ethereum whatsoever, that's where you're going to want to start your journey on Ethereum. Okay. So hopefully you did catch it at the 618 and you're in a long on Ethereum. Okay. All right. Perfect. Millionaire Mentor 77 over on the TikTok saying, so is XRP going up. Well, if the market goes up, XRP is going to do the exact same thing. You know what? Let's look at my beautiful baby girl XRP, and let's find out what the hell XRP is doing. Okay, let me get rid of this. This is what from the previous live stream. So as of right now, what is XRP doing right now? Let's zoom in on the daily chart. Let's zoom in and let's hit the auto button so it locks. There we go. What is the last candle on XRP doing as of right now? This daily candle that is happening right now. It's a green candle. Okay, so momentum is to what direction, my man? To the upside. To the upside on XRP, okay? So if you're going to be biased on anything, it's to the upside. Now, not telling you to go in on a trade unless we get a bullish signal. We don't have a bullish signal as of just yet. Not like this one that we have over here. See, it says bullish. We don't have a cross of the RSI. We don't have a cross of the MACD. So nothing is bullish on XRP as of right now. But if you're trying to catch a theoretical bottom, this is a nice place to do so. This is a high risk, high reward, you know. High risk, high reward. That's pretty much the trade that you're doing in on right now. If you go in on a trade, which is what we did. We went in on a high risk, high trade right over here without a bullish signal whatsoever. And we're making 37% on this trade. Okay. We caught it at 46 cents. Right now it's trading at 50. 50 is hella resistance, hella support. So we're going to stay on that 50 for a long fucking time unless it breaks to the other side. Okay, that's why I'm holding on to this trade. I'm holding on to this trade because 50 cents is hella support. It's been hella support for a long fucking time. Okay, so for me, since I don't care about my money, I don't care if we actually make money out of this. Fuck it, I'm gonna hold on to this trade. Okay, hopefully it plays out and we make big, we bank big on the next bull cycle. I don't know. And if it breaks through the downside, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy some more on the way down. Dollar cost average on the way down. Whenever this trade is going to hit the liquidation price, I just double down right before the liquidation price. And then double down again right before the liquidation price. And then double up. As long as I got bullets in the gun, guess what? This trade is never going to get closed. So hopefully, I'm banking on the fact that we're going to get into the bull cycle next year. And I'm just banking. This is the accumulation zone, okay? This is where you're going to want to start stacking up on whatever coins you want to stack up on. Bull cycle is next year, not this year. We're not ready for a bull cycle this year. A lot of people said that XRP was going to go to $100 in September. I told you no, it's not, okay? Next year. The same time frame. Next year, not 2023. It's 2023 is like 2019. Okay, same scenario. It looks exactly the same, by the way. So 2024 is what? The halving, just like 2020. 2020 we had the COVID and the halving at the same time. What did the price do? It dumped. But right after the halving, what happened to the price of Bitcoin? It shot up to $70,000 in 2021. That I'm banking on the fact that might actually play out the exact same way this time. Not a guarantee. Of course, it's never a guarantee over on crypto. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed. But, you know, success leaves clues, and that's all we're doing. We're identifying the clues, the patterns, and all we have is historical data. We have nothing else. I don't have a time machine that can tell you what the price of Bitcoin is going to be tomorrow. I have historical data. And since I have a mathematical finance mindset, I use the historical data to base my decisions. Okay? Sometimes I get it right. Sometimes I get it wrong. And when I get it wrong, there's a fail safe, the stop loss. And when I get it right, I have a take profit. Okay? So pretty much that's just pretty much what it is. So I'm telling you guys that I am accumulating to whatever fucking coin I want, and I chose XRP for this year round, okay? For me, it's going to be XRP. Year 1 was Bitcoin, year 2 was Ethereum, and this year is XRP. Okay? Let's see if we could actually make that $1 million XRP trade that I'm banking so high on. Okay, let's see. We're gonna see. Stick around, guys. Smash that like button, guys. The more you smash the like button, the higher the price of XRP goes. So XRP, as of right now, looking like quite saucy to the upside. Beautiful green candle to the upside. But I don't have any signals whatsoever on any of my indicators that I should be bullish in any way, shape, or form. Okay? So I'm not telling you that this is going to go to the upside, but it is looking kind of saucy, like it's going to have a little bit of a reversal. Okay? Now let's do our TA. Let's do our analysis, and let's find out. We got a low. We have a high. And we have a retest of the high. So we have a shark fin formation, kind of a weak shark fin formation. So let's find out what the hell is XRP doing. All right, look at that, guys. Beautiful. So XRP found the support on the 618. Okay, this is where I banked on my trade. Okay, I went in on this 46-cent XRP trade because I saw that it was going to be the 618. I always bank to the upside on a bouncy bounce on the 618 on all the coins that I am doing analysis on. Okay, so on the 618, found the support and it bounced to the upside. That is rule number one. Rule number two, did it break the 382? It did not break the 382. See how the 382, that 50-cent mark, has become hella resistance. So if it doesn't close by tomorrow or the next day above the 382, this fucker's probably going to retest back down to the 618. And that's your second chance to getting in on the 618 action. Okay? So pretty much every time it hits the 618, get in on it. Get some. Okay? Just get some. Your target price is the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Always, always, always. Even if it breaks to the downside, then reset your Fibonacci levels and let's go back in it again. Okay? But it's always, always, always the trick. The trick is always catching it at the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay? That is the highest demand zone, and you always want to follow supply and demand. Highest demand, you buy. Highest liquidity, you sell. Now, if it actually does close above 50 cents, okay, let's say that if for some miracle we wake up tomorrow morning and it's at 51, 52 cents, then that means that that rule number two played out. Okay, it broke above the 382. What's rule number three? If it breaks above the 382, it gives me a target price at the negative 382. Okay. So it is telling me that there is a high probability, if it closes above the 382, that we're going to get to 60 cent XRP. Okay. So you buy it at 46, you sell it at 60. But to sell it at 60, it needs to close above the 382. That's it. That's the trick. Nothing else. Okay. Crypto, it could be insanely complicated. It can be, okay? It can be ridiculously complicated. It's like, it could sound like a doctor's degree in finance, which I don't have, by the way. I got a bachelor's degree in finance. But I've been a trader my entire life. I'm pretty much self-taught. It could be insanely complicated. What I do here is try to dumb it down as much as I can so that you can see and everybody can see that anybody can do this. Okay, everybody can do this. Okay, doesn't have to be complicated. You just got to follow the rules. This game has rules. It has hacks. It has cheats that you can apply. Okay, and make good trades, make good decisions based on historical data, math, equations, algorithms. Okay, drawings on the screen. These are beautiful squiggly lines. That's it. You just got to identify the lines. So we got in at 46 and we're going to get out at 60. Okay. That is if it closes above the 382. If it doesn't close above the 382, it's going to come back down to retest the 618. And if it breaks the 618 to the downside, what do? You already know the answer to that. We reset our Fibonacci levels to the downside. Okay. We reset the Fibonacci levels to the downside. Okay. But as of today, as of right now, that trade is banking me 37%. Went in on this trade. I think it was like about $2,000 on this trade. So 37% of $2,000, a little over $600 minus fees, of course, minus fees. So not too bad. Not too bad for a week's work of not doing anything. You know? Lindsay over on the tech shop. Big shout out to you, Lindsay. You get out at 60. Be there is resistance there. Okay, so the biggest resistance. Okay, so if it closes above the 382, the coin or the asset is going to try to find support because the 382 is resistance. After it breaks resistance, that's no longer resistance. So this price action is going to find what? Support. Okay? It's going to try to find a ground to walk on. Okay? What you're going to try to find out is where that top is going to be, where the price is going to be like, yo, I don't have any more momentum. So I'm going to start coming back down to look for support. Where is that support? That support is then the 382, okay? Because it flips from resistance to support. Now, the toppity top of where momentum could drive the price up to is the negative 382, the flip side of the 382. So your new resistance should be the negative 382 on the Fibonacci level, which is this zone right here. Okay. Support is a 382. Resistance is the negative 382, the flip side, the other side of the coin. Okay. So where do you want to take your profits? Your highest, the highest liquidity zone, the highest resistance zone, which is where? The negative 382. And an even higher resistance zone is the negative 618. Okay. Me personally, I don't take profits on the negative 618. I usually take profits at the negative 382, but you can dollar cost average on the way up. Okay. You can take profits on the way up, be like 50-50. You can put 50% at the negative 382 or 50% on the negative 618. Diego, Crypto Sensei, my style of doing it, I take my profits on the negative 382. I get in at the 618 and get out at the negative 382. Okay. And if it doesn't play out that way, then I just double down until it does. Okay. I just double, kind of like a blackjack game. You just double down until you get one right. Okay. Which is why it's always important, guys. I always tell you guys, don't ever trade all of your portfolio on a single trade. No, dollar cost average on the way down, dollar cost average on the way up. Never trade with 100% of your portfolio. Start with like 2% of your portfolio while you get the hang of it. Well, you know, once you learn how to read the charts and it becomes second nature to you, you can identify the patterns and you know what to do with those patterns. Then you can start making $1,000 trades, $2,000 trades, blah, blah, and so on and so forth. But in the meantime, start with $100, play with 2%. That's about $2. And then see if you can turn $100 into $200. You know, that's the game. That's the game. Try to turn 100 into 200, following the same rules. Following the same rules that I show you here. Okay, but never ever go with 100% of your portfolio on a single trade, because you just never know. This fucker can go against you at any time. You know, and you can lose it. You can lose so much money in crypto. Crypto is not here to make you rich. Okay, it's here to make other people rich. And guess what? From your bank account. Okay. It is what it is, the nature of the beast, you know? And that's things that it's hard for people to understand. That crypto is not here to make you money. It's here to make other people money from your money. Okay? So, be wary, be careful, be conservative on your trades. Don't be too risky. Then, especially above all, don't be greedy. If you have profits, take them. I'd rather you have profits in your bank account than to have an open trade that it's just not doing anything for you. Okay, you don't want the headache. You know, you don't want the headache. So we get in at the 618, we get out at the negative 382. Right target price is 60 cents. So I'm probably going to take some profits at around 60 cents. That trade would bank me about 27% times 5, because I do have a 5x leverage. You can see it over here. I have a 5x leverage on this trade. So whatever I make 5 times that amount. Okay. So that would make me 27 times 5. That's 135%. 135%. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Not too fucking bad. If it actually does play out. Not saying that it will. Most likely it won't. I'm not that lucky. But if it does, hey, I already got the limit sell order waiting for you to take that profit at 60 cents. Okay. It's going to do it automatically whether I look at it or not, which is another thing you can do. You can set up the price. Once you do your Fibonacci levels, set the same limit buy orders and limit sell orders on your trading platform and let the trade do its thing. Okay, you don't want to babysit a trade. It's just going to add more stress to your life, and you don't need stress. You just don't need it, you know? All right, guys, and that is my plan for XRP. Let's move on to my other beautiful baby girl, XLM. Let me get rid of this. This was from the previous live stream. So for XLM, what is XLM doing right now? So XLM is doing whatever the fuck it wants to do. We have a low. We have a high. We have a retest of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. All right. So what is XLM doing as of right now? Did it find support within the Fibonacci levels? Yes. It found support there. Did it break out of the 382? No, it did not break out of the 382. So 382 is now resistance. So when do you want to get in? At the 618 on the Fibonacci level. So what is your target price for XLM if you want to get in on a trade? Right down here. 0.108269. So when it comes to XLM, guys, that is your best target price to getting in on some XLM action. Okay, I always said any XLM, anything below 10 cents is a major steal. It's a Black Friday sale. If we could get it less than 10 cents, even if the market is dumping out a cocking, if you could get it at 8 cents, 9 cents, 7 cents, 6 cents, my God, is that a fucking sale? Okay. If we could get it at 10 cents and anything lower, you buy the absolute shit out of it. Okay. Because XLM is going to flip to the upside, all-time highs for the next bull cycle. Okay. Getting it now at 11 cents, that's not a bad idea either. Okay. The all-time high on XLM is what? I think it was like 80 something cents. Let me see. What do we got here? No, the all-time high was 94 cents, which just so happens to be in my Fibonacci level, the highest resistance zone, the negative 1.618 is the all-time high. And that's the Fibonacci level. I'm not doing anything. The Fibonacci level alone is drawing out the line automatically. You see it over here in red? I have it in red because that's the highest resistance zone, meaning that is my target price if I get in at 10 cents. For the next bull cycle, that's my target price, 92 cents. Anything above that, brother, you buy it at 10 cents. You sell it at 92. That's 9x your money. Not financial advice. 9x your money. Okay? If that doesn't tickle your pickle, excites the hell out of you, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, okay? I got nothing. I got nothing for you, okay? I got nothing for you. People still don't believe me. And you got some water, guys. Give me a second over here. Give me some soapy water, because this fucker tastes just like soap. I think I put soap in it. I don't know. Oh, that is soapy water. That is bad water. And I don't want to get up. I'm too lazy. So my target price for some XLM action, guys, is 10 cents, 10.8269. So set your limit buy orders and start stacking up on some XLM when it reaches that price range. Okay. So let's look at some Gala. You guys wanted to talk about some Gala action. What is Gala doing right now? Let me look at some Gala. Can we get Gala games over on the QCons? All right. So Gala. Oof. Gala is exactly at my price range. Oh man, it's between. Let me get rid of this. So let's start all over. So for Gala is almost it's almost a bottom coin. If it wasn't for this wick action back here, I would tell you this is a bottom coin and just buy the absolute shit out of it for the next bull cycle. Okay. But Gala at 1 cent, and what was the all-time high for Gala? I'm just curious. Damn, the all-time high on Gala was 87 cents? And it's at 1 cent right now? I can 80x my money if this fucker goes to all-time highs on the next bull cycle? If that doesn't tickle your pickle, guys, you don't need technical analysis. You don't need price ranges. You just need to get Gala and put it in your goddamn ledger and keep it there for the next bull cycle. Okay? You don't need my price ranges. You don't need to know when the bottom is going to be. You don't need, no. You just need to know that you need to stack up on some Gala, put it in your cold storage device, and forget about it for the next bull cycle. That's it. That's it. Okay? Man, Gala looking flirtatious as hell. I wish I wish I had more money. I don't have any more money. My entire portfolio, I hit the same fucking thing again. I hit the, my portfolio is all on XRP. I don't have any more money. I'm doing something here, guys. Don't worry about it. You don't need to know what the hell I'm doing right now. This is just something I do. I'll teach you that one day. One day I'll teach you what this means. It's just a two-line theory. Some of my students know what this is, but we'll talk about that some other day. You're not ready for this. You're not ready for this. So the breakout is nowhere near. I believe there's more price action to the downside of some gala action. Okay. So with that said, let's draw out our Fibonacci levels and let's find out that we do have a high. We do have a low. And we do have a retest of the low. So my target price range on some gala action are these two right down here. So when do you want to start stacking up on some gala? 0.01127 and 0.00840. Not saying that we will reach those. Sorry, not saying that we will reach those price ranges to the downside. But if we do, guess what? We are locked in, ready to go. Locked in, ready to go. Gang. Let's go. Start stacking up on some gala at those two price ranges right over down there, guys. Okay. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out the exact same way that I do. But that is my target price range for gala, not financial advice. You do whatever the hell you want to do. Trade it however the hell you want to trade it. But that's how I am going to trade it. Okay. Let's look at some YD next. My man Salvador wanted to look at some YD next. Salvador over on the TikTok saying, my bad, check it out. Let me know if it's a platform where trading. YD next? I don't know what that is, brother. YD next. Always remember, you all know my take on trading platforms. Trading platforms are evil. I can't even open the page. Really? So I guess that's a no. Yeah, guys. No, I don't. And when it comes to trading platforms, I only trust the major platforms, and even those are bad. Look at FTX. FTX was the biggest, most regulated platform out there, and they ran away with all our funds. So you can't really trust any trading platforms out there. You just cannot. Just don't leave your assets on a platform. You're gonna lose your money. You're gonna lose your money. Do they have a coin? YD next. No, they don't have a coin. So my take, brother, on any platform out there, if it's not the top three, don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna lose your funds. Okay, you're gonna lose your funds, and there's not a damn thing you're gonna be able to do about it. Okay, so be smart. Keep your crypto on your cold storage device, and don't give it out to nobody. Okay, don't give it out to no exchange whatsoever. Keep it safe. You can keep it safe. Okay, you can keep it yourself. You don't need a third party. You can do it yourself. Okay. Let's look at some Dogecoin. You guys wanted to talk about some Dogecoin. Oh, Doge looking like it's finding some support. Let me see. Let me zoom in a little bit here for some Dogecoin action, guys. If you guys wanted to trade some Dogecoin, we do have a high. We do have a low. And we have a retest of the low. So we have a lower high. We have a reverse shark fin formation. So we take this. My Fibonacci. Come on. Can you please select the Fibonacci levels? Thank you. And there it is. It found the resistance on the 618. So my target price to start stacking up on some Dogecoin is down here. Okay. So those are my two support lines for Dogecoin. 0.04147 and 0.03540. Take a screenshot of that, guys, because that is how I'm going to play out some Dogecoin. Me personally, I do not trade shit coins. Okay, I don't trade meme coins. I don't trade any dog coins, any cat coins, any frog coins. None of those. I trade XRP. Okay. But no reason why you guys shouldn't be stacking up on the Dogecoin. There's no reason why you guys shouldn't be making money out of Doge. Why not? I don't see why not. But if you are going to play it out, then these are your two highest demand zones for Dogecoin. So you might want to set a limit buy order at 4 cents and 3 cents. Okay. Let me look at Dixie. The DX. Ooh, see what I think we were talking about this a few days ago, actually, when we did this chart right here, and it broke to the upside, came back down to support it, and then break to the upside. And this fucker has been riding all the way to the upside. That's super bullish for the US dollar, and that's super bearish for Bitcoin. I don't know why Bitcoin is pumping when the US dollar is pumping. These are the things. See, I learn new things every day. This is why you got to keep an eye out on shit and don't ever believe you know everything. You have to be coachable. You know, you have to understand that you don't know everything. You're not in the inner circles. You don't know what things are going to be. You just don't. You're going to learn new things, and crypto is going to keep you humble. That's for sure. It's going to humble the absolute shit out of you. So, yeah. So these are the patterns that I just don't ever. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you on this one. It broke to the upside. Oof. Let me look at the total market cap. I want to see the total market cap. We are above $1 trillion once again. Total market cap with Bitcoin, trading exactly like Bitcoin. But it's still looking saucy though. It does have a W formation, so let's see if it actually keeps going on this W formation. But it's just a little. It's too iffy. You know what I mean? It's too dangerous. Still dangerous. I don't know, guys. It's weird. It's weird looking. We look at Bitcoin Cash just for shits and giggles. Nobody asked. So for Bitcoin Cash, people are still trading Bitcoin Cash. I don't even know why. We do have a high, we have a low, we have a retest of the low, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. The Fibonacci levels are those. And we found support within the golden ratio. It did break above the 382. So your target price for Bitcoin Cash is the negative 382 at 540. So there is a high probability that we are going to get a price range for the Fibonacci level of the negative 382 at $540.52. Maybe for the next bull cycle. I don't know how. I don't know why. I don't see the money flow anytime now. But it did break above the 382, so we got to follow the rules. And the rules are saying that the sucker might look at $540. It's trading right now at $213, so that's a 2x on your money right there. Not financial advice. Do whatever the hell you want to do. But it's looking kind of saucy and nice price ranges to go to the upside. So Bitcoin Cash looking smooth criminal to the upside. Make sure you smash that like button, guys. The more you smash, the higher the Bitcoin Cash price goes. Let me look at some Cardano. What is Cardano doing right now? Let me look at Cardano. Let's see what Cardano. Well, Cardano, still no love for Cardano since yesterday. Nothing has changed whatsoever. These are still my price ranges on Cardano, 18 cents and 16 cents. Not saying that we're going to reach all the way down there, but if we do, guess what? I'm going to start stacking up on some Cardano at 18 cents and 16 cents. Okay, so you do whatever the hell you want to do, but I'm going to buy some Cardano at 18 cents and 16 cents. The same for Solana. Solana, the exact same playable scenario. For Solana, $13 and $11. Those are my price ranges to start stacking up on some Solana. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out the exact same way, guys, okay? Let me look at the funding rates. Funding rates. CoinGlass. This just gives me momentum. Momentum is still to the downside. Okay, if you squint your eyes, it's too much green. That means that momentum is still to the downside. We haven't flipped to white just yet, but we are on our way. We're on our way. Maybe there'll be more people longing than shorting coming real soon. I don't know, but momentum is still to the downside, guys. It's still we've still got some. I don't know. Still looking iffy to the downside. The market is just not fully recovered as of just yet. We're not ready. We got to wait for the halving cycle to happen, guys. It's all planned out. It's all part of the plan. March, guys. That's the target price. March. How many days do we have? Halving, Bitcoin, countdown. Whew. Guys, we are less than 200 days from the halving cycle. My man, let me tell you right now, this tickles the absolute shit out of me. Oh man, that means that we have 168 days to accumulate whatever the hell coin we want, guys. This is it. This is literally it, guys. I don't know what you're gonna do with this information. You do whatever the hell you want. But this is, I'm going to have to take, I need another job. Are you guys hiring? I'm great at doing Excel spreadsheets. I'm a financial analyst. If you guys need a virtual financial analyst, hit me up. I need another job. I might have to go get a job at McDonald's. I don't know, but I need more money because I need to get, I need to buy more coins. Okay. The obsession, the absolute obsession that I have right now to getting more coins is just ridiculous. And I don't have any more money. And I don't want to refinance the house. I just don't want to get there. I don't want to get there. It's too much the obsession. 168 days, guys, for the next halving cycle. That means that you have literally 4 months. You got what? 5 months? 5 months to buy whatever the hell coin you want. March 1st. 2024, and then March 2025, the end of the bull cycle. So you have 5 months to buy any coin you want, and then you have 1 year to sell that coin on the next bull cycle. Oh man. Do you, boo-boo? Do what you got to do, guys. Completely up to you, not financial advice. But that's my game plan. That's how I'm going to play. I don't know what you're going to do, guys. I really don't. I really don't. You do you, boo-boo. You do you, boo-boo. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. I got to leave early a little bit. I got a few things I got to take care of. Got a little bit of work to do. So I will see you again. What's today? Today's Friday, right? I don't even know what day I live in. Yes, today is Friday. So I will see you again on Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe for whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Kick. Oh, I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my price ranges, guys. So make sure that you follow all of my streaming platforms. Okay. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again on Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern, guys. Okay. So thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. See you again Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care. God bless and have a good one.